Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone is online and unlocked. Backups rely on stable Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Next, confirm which account you want to use for backups, Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, and have that login available. Now open WhatsApp, tap the menu icon or Settings tab, and head straight to Chats. This begins the process. Once there, you'll access Chat Backup controls to view and change the linked backup account. Once in Chats, tap Chat Backup to reveal the settings screen and see which account is active. On Android, choose Google account to pick a different Drive profile, press Change Account and select or add the desired Google account. On iPhone, make sure iCloud is signed in under Apple ID, sign out and sign in to switch. While here, set backup frequency and whether to include videos. These options control storage use and restore completeness, so adjust them before initiating a manual backup. Select the new backup account and then press Backup Now to create an initial copy under that account. This ensures WhatsApp can write to the target service. After it finishes, confirm the timestamp shown on the chat backup screen and check available storage on Google Drive or iCloud. If you encounter errors, make sure WhatsApp has permission to access the cloud account, verify you're on a reliable network, and confirm sufficient free cloud space. If problems persist, sign out and back into the cloud account and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.